In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect wired controller to iOS. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to set up and use your controller through a wired connection on any iOS device. So this will work for iPhones, iPads, and so on. In order to establish this connection, you will need the proper cable. Usually for your wired controller, it is going to be a USB-C wired port. So all that you have to do is grab a USB-C cable. Alternatively, if you have an older model, it can be micro USB. So just check the port on your controller and grab the appropriate cable to use for this connection. You plug one end of the cable into the controller, and once it is plugged in, the other end goes into the iPhone. There's absolutely no secret to this. If you have a modern iPhone or iPad, it is going to be USB-C. Alternatively, if it is an older model, it will most likely be Lightning. Just like the controller, check the port available on your iOS device and establish a connection like so. Once this is done, the iOS device will most likely detect the controller and automatically set everything up, so you don't need to download any additional apps. Open a game that has controller support, such as Minecraft or Roblox, and it will be usable without any problems. So, for most generic Xbox controller, it is going to be X input, which the iPhone will be able to detect and translate, or rather any iOS device. It's simple, and all that you have to do is grab the appropriate cable to establish this connection. If it doesn't work right away, then you can try re-plugging the controller in, restarting the device, or maybe the game that you are trying to play doesn't support controllers. So do some research beforehand to make sure that the game that you are playing supports wired controllers. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect wired controller to iOS. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.